You need to add your bank account, which will be used as the destination for your money transfer. So to add a bank account, click on this gear icon to go to the Stripe settings. Select the business option under the account settings. Then choose the bank account and currencies option. You may then add your bank account information details in each currency. So click on it. And after you input all of the information needed, tap on the Add Bank Account button. After that, you want to go back to the home page and click on the balance option, just like here. If you already have some balance on your Stripe account, you may see this payout button and you want to click on it. You can then see the available balance and start to insert how much money do you want to pay out or transfer to your bank account. You may add some note and after that, click on the payout button over here. And you are good to go. You can also manage your payout to be sent on daily basis by clicking on the Manage Payouts button and select the Manage Payout Schedule button and then choose the Automatic option and make sure you choose the day as your selection and after that click on Done button over here. And now your payout will be sent on daily basis automatically by Stripe. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.